Good morning. Just hit the trail. Camped back in those trees right there. There's sandhill cranes in the valley. And I was hoping you might be able to hear them. A lot of wildlife. There's a lovely stream over there. River, but there's beavers in it. That's right. There's a video I took last night. And I heard something big go into the water last night. Of course, my little prey brain is like, it's a bear. I don't know, could have been a moose. Could have been, I don't know if there's elk here. Ducks, ducklings, sandhill cranes. Those beavers just create, a little ecosystem that draws in a lot of wildlife. I think beavers are so cool. Nature's little engineers. My favorite beaver stories I heard was you can play a radio or a CD tape player, whatever. Do you hear that? Like honking? That's sandhill crane. Sounds like they're up there or it's echoing off up there. I can't tell. Anyways, you can play a recording of just like a babbling brook, and beavers will dam the tape player or whatever. Like they will pile it with mud and sticks until it breaks, until they've stopped the sound of running water. They just can't stand the sound. Yeah. And it's so pretty out there. It's just, I think beavers are cool. Yep. All right. I think I have just under 30 miles to Togati Pass? Togati Pass, I think. Or Togati. That's the highway, the road between Jackson and Du Bois. That's how the locals say it, I think. I feel like I'm saying them all a different way every time. I'm going to try and do 20 miles of that. And then that will leave 10 miles tomorrow to the highway where Dan's going to pick me up. Yep. I almost left behind my sage-colored cloth because I had laid it out on top of a sagebrush to dry or air out this morning in the sun. And boy, it was blended in. This was accidental that I ended up with a sage hat, sage shirt, sage towel, and the sage monster. I'm manifesting the sage grouse. That's what it is. I want to hear sage grouse. All right. My hand's getting cold. Bye.